I want to talk about this DEWALT cordless driver drill kit that I got recently. I have had the same drill for a long time, about 20 years, and it just wasn't keeping up anymore. I've got a big job coming up fixing my deck, so I needed to upgrade a little bit. Did a little bit of looking around, and this is what I decided to go with. Pretty much because I'm a big fan of the DEWALT name and everything you get with this. I mean, you get the carrying bag right there. You get instructions to break down how to use it. You have the main driver right there. Comes with a charger as well, which was good for me because I don't have this brand of DEWALT equipment, so I was going to need a charger and a battery as well. Really excited to get this new drill to work. I've got some work to do. Doing a little bit of work on my deck, need some repairs, and this is going to be fantastic. For everything you get for the price point, I think there's exceptional value here. If you need a new drill, please click on the link in the description below.